Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa salad with chickpeas. Rinse 1 cup quinoa and cook in 2 cups water until fluffy. Drain and cool on a tray to stop steaming. Toss cooled quinoa with 1 can drained chickpeas, chopped cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and chopped parsley. Dress with juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt, and pepper, and mix gently until evenly coated. Gather 1 cup quinoa, 1 15-ounce can chickpeas, 1 cucumber, a pint of cherry tomatoes, and a small bunch of parsley. Prepare lemon juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt, and pepper. Measure optional spices like 1 teaspoon cumin or smoked paprika to taste. Having everything prepped makes assembly quick and prevents overdressing. Chop vegetables uniformly so every bite has balanced texture and flavor. Once quinoa is cool, combine it with drained chickpeas and chopped vegetables in a large bowl. Add lemon juice, olive oil, and spices, then fold gently until distributed. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, or acidity with a splash more lemon or vinegar. Chill the salad for at least 20 minutes so flavors meld and textures settle. Garnish with parsley and optional feta or toasted nuts before serving for extra contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.